Last days of September. This week the fall weather, autumn weather came. Leaves are falling down and it's still quite warm, but everywhere it looks like autumn finally. Summer has been long and warm and weather is quite nice today. It's a morning, so let's go and free the birds. Our Muscovy ducks are already let free. They are hanging here, 3 ladies and male. They are still laying eggs. In Finland, the sunlight is dropping dramatically in this time of year. Now it's quite fully dark at 8 o'clock p.m. in the evenings. And it means that all the birds, Muscovy ducks and chickens are giving their laying break finally or quite soon. And it's starting now because you can see they are dropping their feathers and changing their feathers. But still we get eggs. So it's not totally break. This building here is our chicks coop or chick house. This is for the purpose when the chicks are big enough to move outside from the cages. After hatching, they spend like 2 weeks inside or something like that, depends on the weather, and then we bring them here and they can grow in here and we can see which are roosters and which are hens, and we can decide what of these we will keep. But there's no insulation or no heat, so at this moment we are building a bigger winter coop for the chickens, and these will move there quite soon. And as you can see, these are quite big ones. We are raising Wyandotte chickens. This used to be a rabbit cage, but it's perfect for the little ones since there's a wired net in the bottom as well, so they are well secured. Let's continue to the actual chicken coop or chicken house. That's why they're staying all year round. They have a small cage in front of that house because in Finland we have a regulation that from February at the end of May we need to keep birds in cages, or if you don't have a cage you will need to keep them inside. This lady here, she's a mother of 4. It was naturally hatched chicks, quite nice. We actually got from 2 mother hens this year. And it was something really new to us because not before any Wyandotte hasn't hatched naturally, but it happened this year twice. Good morning, hello. As you can see, our rooster looks a bit well. He's definitely changing the feathers and well, let's not laugh to him. Welcome. It usually takes about 1 month to change the feathers, and they might look quite dramatic during that time, depending on how total or partial feather changed process that is. All right, they are here. We're gonna start today with Henry our work in there, and the installation is now done, and we will need to put the planks there into the walls today. But yeah, that's not something we will film since there is dark and it's quite a not nice place to work. You don't have enough space for the camera. But yeah, hopefully we are able to show you the end result after 1 or 2 weeks, since we're doing this on weekends. Now let's go to our cornfield. We have grown corn here in Finland. It's something you will not succeed every year, but this year we definitely did. So let's check out the best end result what comes to the corns ever happened this year.
Oi.
Yep.
No.
We are harvesting our corns. This was quite a good success this year. This is something that's not sure every year that you will get any, but quite nice ones this year. It's been warm. And especially this autumn has been warm.
It has been warm, yes, but
And these needs so long time to grow that.
it's not so usual here in Finland to get some corn.
No.
But we managed to do this year.
Yeah, this is something that if you start to grow, you don't ever know will you get any or not. Last year we didn't. Autumn was too wet.
Yeah, they were growing very well in the summertime, but then it came so wet that we didn't get any corn.
Yeah. We will give these small ones to the chickens and to the ducks, and the bigger ones we will put into the freezer. We just need to boil short time in a water with salt and then freeze.
I'm ready.
I think this is the last week of harvest and the last days actually they have said that the temperatures might go into 0 or even minus degrees in the nights.
So minus Celsius.
Yeah, so we need to really keep up the speed to get everything what we still can from the garden. Yay, let's take these inside.
Yep.